A no-smoking addendum clearly establishes the smoking policy for your rental property and creates a documented record that the tenant agreed to the restriction, protecting you if smoking occurs and causes damage. Welcome to TenantScreeningBackgroundCheck.com. Here's how to use a no-smoking addendum effectively. A no-smoking addendum should define the scope of the restriction. Does it apply only inside the unit or also on balconies, patios, and common areas? What types of smoking are covered? Cigarettes, cigars, cannabis, vaping? The addendum should be clear and specific so there is no ambiguity. Smoking damage, stained walls and ceilings, odor embedded in flooring and fixtures, damaged HVAC filters is often extensive and costly. Courts have upheld security deposit deductions and additional damage claims for smoking in no-smoking units when the policy was clearly documented and agreed to in writing. Cannabis smoking raises a separate consideration. Even in states where recreational cannabis is legal, landlords can prohibit smoking and vaping on the property. The no-smoking addendum should specifically address cannabis if relevant in your state. For multifamily properties, HUD and many state agencies encourage smoke-free property policies due to the health impacts of secondhand smoke traveling between units. Our free no-smoking addendum form covers all standard provisions and is suitable for use in most states. For the free form and landlord resources, visit TenantScreeningBackgroundCheck.com.